You're welcome to the studios of Wismaths. I trust we've been practicing all of the lessons that we've had so far. We can only get better by constant practice, and we can get the better part of us when it comes to this. So today we want to look at what is called sequences, and we want to start by introducing to ourselves what sequence of a number is. Now consider a number or set of numbers, say 2, 4, 6, 8. You see, we are counting in twos. You say 5. When you have a number that is bounded by a set of rules, we say it has formed what is called sequence in maths. So let's practically look at that. Let's say some examples. So when we say 2, 4, 6, 8, we can keep counting, but it's obvious that we are counting in twos, because if you say 4 minus 2, you see 4 minus 2 gives you what? Gives you 2. 6 minus 4 gives you 2. 8 minus 6 gives you 2. 10 minus 8 gives you 2. So we can clearly see that the difference between two successive terms is 2. Each of these numbers is called a term. We'll come to that in a subsequent class or classes. So let's say this is example 1. So let's consider another one. If we have this, say 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. You can see that if you pick the first one, 10 minus 5, this will clearly be 5. You pick the second one, 15 minus 10, this will still be what? 5. You pick the next one, 20 minus 15, you see the common difference is still what? So they have what is called common difference in between each of these numbers, which in this topic we call each of these numbers a term. This is the first term, this is the second, this is the fourth, the third and the fourth. Of course, we will come to that. Let's consider another example. How about you have something like 1, we have 4, we have say 9, we have 16. Now, you might not see this so clearly, but the rule that is binding this is that they are perfect square numbers. You see, the square of 1 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is 1, equal to 1. This is the square of 2 raised to the power of 2, which means 2 times 2 gives us what? Gives us 4. Yeah, 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 9, and 4 to the power 2 will give us what? 16. 3 raised to the power 2. So each of these numbers represents a perfect square number. Now